The government of Ruweng State, in collaboration with UNHCR, has allocated Pamir area in Jamjang County to accommodate refugees from southern Kordofan in Sudan. Gore Anthony has more.
Yida, Ajuongthok in Ruweng State, the Assistant High Commission for United Nations, High Commission for Refugees, the Ruweng State Governor have commissioned new camp in Pamir Payam of Jamjang County to accommodate more than 1,000 refugees who have fled from southern Kordofan in Sudan. The new site is well equipped with shelter, clean drinking water, schools and health facilities that will not only accommodate the refugees but also the host community. Speaking during the occasion, Ruweng State Governor Mayol Kura reiterated his government's commitment in maintaining peaceful and conducive environment for the refugees. Governor Mayol appreciated UNHCR for all the services provided to refugees, which he said will also benefit the local community.
We have assured the meeting, the team, that we as the government of South Sudan and the government of Ruweng State and the people of Ruweng State, we are committed to our responsibility as according to the treaties, conventions, protocols which are related to refugees affair. We will work together with them to assure that those who are traumatized with situation in Nuba Mountains will receive them and will still sharing the small service that we have, plus the one now which is being provided by the UNHCR and the partners, the donors. Also, we have discussed about Yida, that the host community, after they have been hosting the refugees for more than 5 years, they are feeling like that they are going to be abandoned and no services are going to be left for them. The Assistant Commissioner assured us that they are not going to abandon Yida, but they are going to plan for services for the host community in Yida.
On his part, Assistant High Commission for United Nations, High Commission for Refugees, George appreciated the government and the residents of Ruweng for peaceful coexistence with the refugees. George said UNHCR will scale up humanitarian reliefs to both the refugees and the people of South Sudan.
I really would like, on behalf of UNHCR, to reiterate our organization's most sincere appreciation to the government and people of South Sudan, and particularly here in Ruweng State, to the governor and through him, to his administration and to the people.
That the organization will continue to render necessary services for both the refugees and the host community.
فإحنا طبعا بنتكلم لمنظمات دولية بالذات UNHCR عشان هم يقدم نفس الخدمات للمجتمع المحلي، وهذا فرصة لنا عشان على أولادنا وبناتنا كلهم يستفيدوا من تعليم، لأنه التعليم ده مهم جدا جدا، مش للمستقبل بتاعت كل الناس، مش بس للاجئين، مهمة للمجتمع المحلي. فأنتوا كحكومة بتاعت Ruweng State بتتشرف بتاعت Honorable Governor Mayol لازم ترشدوا المجتمع المحلي عشان هم يستفيدوا من هذا المدارس، ما يقول مدارس ده بس للاجئين. مدارس ده.
Despite of the ongoing challenges, South Sudan is still hosting more than 1,265,000 refugees from southern Kordofan of Sudan and DRC. Gore Anthony, SSBC News.